In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a circle in Photoshop. So if you want to draw a perfect circle, that's how you do it. What you want to do is go down here to the bottom on the left where it says rectangle tool. You want to then right click on it and change it to the second one in the list, which is ellipse tool. Now rectangle is usually the default, but you may have any of these, so just beware and look for this one, which is ellipse tool. Okay, so right click and ellipse tool. What you then want to do is hold down your shift key on your keyboard and simply drag out a circle. Now as you can see, if I hold down shift, it's going to be a perfect circle, but if I don't, it's going to be a normal ellipse. Okay, so make sure to hold down shift key, which is going to make a perfect circle. And now you can then release your mouse button and your perfect circle has been created. What you then want to do is you can fill it up if you want to fill it with a color. Let's say you want to have it in red. You can do this by clicking over here or changing the colors in here to whatever you'd like. Or you can simply not have a filling by clicking this kind of the red slash here over. Okay, there we go. Now you can of course change the color of the circle. In my case, it's currently black as you can see, but let's say I want to have it in green or another green. Let's say I want to have more light of a green. There we go. Want to press OK, and then you can select how kind of prominent you want it to be. So you can slide this slider to the right, and there we go. It's becoming increasingly wider, and there we go. That's how you create a circle in Photoshop, and once you're done, you can simply press your enter key on your keyboard, and it's going to get you the circle, which you can move around and use however you would like.